Hi, I'm Lisa Pearson. I'm the Marketing Officer for Pichi Richi Railway, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about what we can offer our groups who are travelling with us on our heritage steam and diesel hauled trains. As you can see, we've just come back today from a special hire. We've had a tour group coming with us today down to Woolshed Flat and back to Quorn. The car that you see with us is a diesel and takes just over 30 passengers. We can add a trailer to that, so we can take the group right the way up to well over 150 passengers. Diesel trains, we're really fortunate. We can operate year round, so we're not held up by any restrictions on fire bans. We have a number of groups who travel with us over the summer months, taking advantage of spectacular Flinders ranges, but enjoying a wonderful heritage train ride with Pichi Richi Railway. With our groups, we can cater for them as well, so tour groups will often choose to do a morning tea or afternoon tea at Woolshed Flat, which is about a 35-40 minute journey from Quorn.
Norway. It's all like you get a full demand.
So we can cater for them down there. We also have groups who choose to dine with us for lunch and take a more substantial meal, and there's some great options as well for groups wanting to break their journey. We have a couple of great function venues en route between Quorn and Port Augusta, and so we have a number of groups taking on that opportunity as well. So here we are on one of our carriages. It's just come in from a steam train journey from Port Augusta here to Quorn. So for all of the groups travelling, whether it be a tour group, your social groups or a private function, we can organise a private hire for you for groups from 15 right the way through to 150. You can combine those with any of our catering options, morning, afternoon tea or lunch, or maybe even a workshop tour and get a behind the scenes look of what goes on to keep Pichi Richi Railway on track. Walk amongst the huge locomotives, see the restorations in progress and check out some of the incredible equipment at the Pichi Richi workshops. So whatever you choose to do, you're certainly guaranteed to have excellent service from our dedicated and enthusiastic team of volunteers and an experience of a lifetime on our fantastic heritage trains. For your school groups, Pichi Richi Railway offers an interactive and engaging experience, a great excursion when we can cover a whole host of different themes, all depending on what your group's interested in. It might be the mechanics or the building work that goes on down at our workshops. Might be the geology of the Flinders Ranges as you travel through on one of our steam train or heritage diesel journeys. Some fantastic things that the kids can get involved in, combining it with some bushwalking or other experiences.
the MIC was a Morris 25. Originally had a Morris motor, naturally, but the motor played up, so they ended up putting a Holden motor in. It was built in about 1937 as a standard car, and the railways converted it into what we call the MIC car. Naturally, it's on railway wheels. You can see there's no steering wheel in it, and we just guide by the flanges of the railway wheels.
Wade, I've come down to Pichi Richi and go for a run on this lovely little MIC car. Wheel shed flat, had some wine and chicken and oh, lovely little thing. You know, for a rail enthusiast, you've got to come on this. Oh, you know, for the price, you can't beat this. You know. To think this was the boss's car and go out and do the inspections and you can sit in the back and have the whole thing for yourself, it's a brilliant. A must do. Absolutely must.